What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today, we out suburban delinquent. Of course, he's got a place in mind. His bike's really dirty. What is that?
Dude, I want it. That's custom.
What is that?
You act like you're jealous. If you want to get outfitted like that,
We can make it happen. I'm good. Anyways, we're gonna go get some food, go hang out, go enjoy some beautiful California weather. Cause I know if you're in the East Coast and watching this, I'm sorry, but it sucks to be you. Well, guys, another day with Suburban Delinquent. We're going to go check out this place, Sabroso. But first, we're going to check out Bob. I don't think I've been to see Bob in a long time. It is a beautiful day. It's a little cold this morning, though. Like, when I left my house, it was like 41 degrees. And, I mean, I know it's not cold compared to snow, but, you know, it's pretty fucking cold. Like, I was cold. I was a little chilly. He was talking about how it doesn't feel like we haven't ridden that long, but, man, it's been a minute. Time just keeps going, man. That shit just keeps flying, and next thing you know, it's December. It's Christmas time. Anyway, so we're gonna be going to this place, I guess, in Garden Grove. I don't know where Garden Grove is. When he says the place, I have no idea where it's at. But he says it's like 30 minutes away, and it's called Sabrosos. He said it's really good, and there's some crazy shit has happened before. That's about my extent of what I remember of what he said about the place. But if you call yourself Sabrosos, you gotta kind of step up to the plate. You know what I mean? Like, that's a big thing to claim. To claim that you're a Sabroso. We'll see. I have to trust his judgment. He's usually pretty dead on with places. So, sometimes even though I have like the dark smoke shield, sometimes the sun just like hits your eyes in the right freaking way that you're still blinded. I'm actually thinking about getting a new helmet coming next year, early next year. I was thinking about I think it's a Shoei 1400 something or something like that. I don't know. Definitely another Shoei. If you got a square head like me, Icon just doesn't work. I can ride an Icon helmet for about 30 minutes to an hour before it gives me the most brutal freaking headache ever. And when I had the Icon Armada, and then I had a different Icon, and both helmets, man, just they're oval shaped. I just can't rock them. So once I jumped to Shoei, not only, I mean, it is a bit of a nicer helmet, but it fit. I didn't have headaches, and I could ride for hours without a headache and no problem. So I haven't tried Araya, or is it Araya? I think it's Araya, or any of the other brands similar to Shoei. So I do plan on going to go helmet trying or helmet fitting, whatever you call it. I don't know what helmet, something. I'm gonna go try helmets on and figure out what I want. But I was looking at that Shoei 14. I think it's 1400 something. I forgot what it's called, or even the RF 1200. Both Shoeis and I think Araya are a bit more rounder of a helmet. So we'll see. Looks like a little stiff.
Oh, I thought he was made of wood. I think that's glass.
Is it?
I'm going to take Bob for a tour right now. I feel like I shattered his face.
Yeah, he would, he'd need a helmet. Oh, those are pretty cool. Yeah, those are pretty neat.
And we got enough for drinks.
I like this guy. Yeah, cool dude. I've heard that one is really good. Yeah. I've never had a bang, ever. But I think it's more of a everyone's doing it, and I don't want to follow along.
And I felt the same way about Nirvana back in the day, and I really miss that.
Yeah.
I really miss that.
That's why I've never had one. I'm like, well, everyone's trying them. I don't want to be part of the crowd, and so I've never tried it. Although I've heard that that rainbow one is delicious. I haven't tried it, no. Now that we got Bob out the way, I'm pretty hungry.
I'm hungry too. You're gonna like where we go.
I think so.
Before we go there, let's talk about this BAM.
BAM energy drinks.
Alright, dude, I really wanted to like. I got the pina colada, and you got the rainbow unicorn.
Rainbow unicorn.
I tried yours. I didn't care for it. I tried mine. I really didn't.
I think Rockstar is still my go-to.
So you didn't like mine either.
No.
It's pina colada. You got a weird medicine in your pocket there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Almost though. Almost there.
It's not the worst, but it's definitely not the best.
And then, but you like the rainbow unicorn.
I thought it was okay. I wouldn't go out of my way to buy it. Like, if there's a Rockstar and a Rainbow Unicorn, I'm going Rockstar.
I'm going to stick traditional. I'm going to stick to my little Red Bull can.
Yep. I guess this place has been on Guy Fieri's TV show. I don't know. I don't think I've ever watched his show, but I do know of him. So it's supposed to be legit. Now to say that you're like one of the best in Orange County, that's a lot to hold up to, man. There are so many Mexican places out here. So I'm not sure like if I should just go with the like a California burrito, or should I really put it to the test? Like, do they have lengua or ceviche or some of the more traditional foods to try out? I don't know, but I am pretty hungry, and I'm gonna find out. And I think our little Bob adventure was definitely a success here, which was pretty cool. It's so cool to have like people support you in that sense. It's just freaking awesome to see. So I know obviously none of that was for me, but it's still really cool to see people do. So appreciate it. One of the things that little things I try to do when I'm riding with Sub D, because we have these conversations, and I like to keep them in the video, but sometimes my breathing gets in the mic when we're talking and we're just standing still. And when he's talking, I gotta like almost hold my breath so that you can't hear me, because I have to turn the gain up on the audio. And when I turn the gain up on the audio, if I'm breathing, it's super loud. So like I'm almost, when he's talking, holding my breath, which is kind of funny. One thing I wanted to bring up for a lot of you guys that may not know, I have a Twitch channel where I stream mainly Call of Duty. A lot of times I'm playing with like Arson or Derek or Ian or Trick Wonders or Red One or my boy Lincoln or my boy Kenny. Anyways, go check me out, GhostNinja SD on the twitch.tv. It's pretty dope. Have some fun. We joke around and just play some video games. I've tried to stream, as you probably already noticed, I've streamed a few times, and I normally always do it like around Thanksgiving. I've streamed a few times to my YouTube channel. Most people don't like it, but it's just something a little bit different. While we're on the way there, another thing that's happening this week is I've been on vacation. I'm on vacation the rest of the year. More of a staycation for the most part, but I've been married for almost 11 years now. Or 11 years, almost 12 years, 11 years. Don't tell my wife that I'm not 100% sure, but yeah. And we kind of messed up where we got married in December. And because we got married in December, for those of you that have kids, you know, it's like Christmas time and presents. And so we've never really been able to like enjoy ourselves as far as the anniversary. Of course, we enjoy spending time with the kids and Christmas time with the family and all that good stuff, but we've never like been able to celebrate our anniversary because we messed up and did it in December. But this year we did. So actually on Wednesday we're going to be going to Vegas, just me and the wifey, and just hanging out and exploring. We don't really have any plans or anything in particularly set up. We're not big gamblers, but yeah. So we will be doing that. Oh, I think that wheelie was a little too much for his GoPro there.
I hit neutral in the wheelie and I smashed my face into the mirror.
Oh.
Can you put it back in?
Yeah. Let me see. Yeah, it looks like it just came out.
Always on the side of the freeway. got lost so many times.
Alright, so we're here at this place. Try this place out. I'm trying to record this on my phone. I didn't want to really break out the GoPro instead of the gimbal, so we're going to try this on the phone. And I look homeless. I got to go get a haircut. But anyways, so far, it smells delicious in here. Chips are pretty good. Salsa's pretty good. Check it out. And of course, you know, you got to go with that horchata. So I got the horchata, and I'm just going to wait for the food. I ordered chile verde and a tamale. So we're going to go give that a try, see how it comes out. And Sub-D ordered, what did you order? Oh, California burrito. That's a little boring, sir.
You're boring.
All right. Anyways, we'll see how it goes. I need to get a haircut. Anyways, let's try this. Pretty good tamale here. That means delicious. Got some delicious chile verde. Got a whole stack of tortillas. We got a tamale, guac, salsa, chips. Look at that burrito though. Oh my god. That's ridiculous.
Alright guys, so Sabroso Mexican Grill. Pretty good. Not like I said, it's not the best Mexican food, but it is really good. Their salsa verde was delicious. The tamale was really good. I've only had one tamale that was better. And that was like a little mom and pop store. But this guy had a California burrito.
Good.
Pretty good.
Expensive.
Really expensive. California burrito is one of those burritos that lets you judge a place. Because, like, you could, you know, you could try it. You could judge a place by the California burrito.
You said the chile verde was the benchmark?
Yeah, the chili verde was really good. That was on point. That was definitely my favorite. So, big shout out to Sub-D. Link in the description. Again, picking out another good one. If there's someone you need to trust on their food judgment, this guy right here. He's always pointing people in the right direction.
I appreciate that.
Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and until next time, peace.